Imagine diving deep into the ocean and discovering a shipwreck over 60 years old, filled with classic cars that look like they just rolled off a 1950s assembly line. How did they survive? And why did no one ever look for it? In 2024, during a routine exploration at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, a diving team discovered a massive sunken ship, its surface covered in thick layers of algae and rust. But the shock wasn't in its size, it was in its cargo. Dozens of rare classic cars from the 1950s and 60s stood lined up inside the cargo hold, looking more like a luxury auto show than the grave of a sunken vessel. Upon checking maritime records, it was revealed that this ship had been missing since 1964, vanishing on its way from Europe to North America. No distress signals, no debris on the surface. It simply disappeared. And that's when the mystery began. Why wasn't it found for all these decades? Was it outside the known search areas? Or was someone trying to keep it hidden? Even stranger, many of the cars weren't fully corroded. Some still had their original paint. Engine parts remained intact. Were they somehow protected? Or is there something unnatural about the place where the ship went down? Some suggest the ship drifted off course due to navigation failure. Others believe it was attacked or vanished in a phenomenon similar to the Bermuda Triangle. The boldest theories claim it was part of a massive smuggling operation and it disappeared before anyone could uncover the truth. Today, experts are analyzing the wreck piece by piece, looking for a single clue to explain the mystery. But so far, no answers. Was it just a tragic maritime accident? Or was a secret meant to stay buried with the ship? Maybe. Some secrets don't stay underwater forever.